Hey guys, this renovation update brings us right into Old Bridge. Doing a quick walkthrough of this Colonial. 2-car garage, 650 by 100 lot. 6 rooms, 3 full baths, a half bath. And if you'd like some further updates, all you got to do is just check your box off there on your whatever platform you're using. So when the updates come, you'll be all set. You'll get them automatically. Figure about 4 to 6 more weeks of work. Let's take it upstairs. And of course, you need any more information, just shoot me a text. Or give me a call. All the information is in the description box. And we'll be all set. All right, guys, till next time. Have a good one.